If there's one motorcycle in Pakistan that almost everyone recognizes instantly, it has to be the Honda CD70. It's been a familiar name on our roads for decades. And now the big question is, what can we expect from the upcoming Honda CD70 2026-27? Today we're taking a closer look at the expected design, performance, fuel economy, features, pricing, and the changes that could make the new model interesting for everyday riders. Now, before we get into the details, let's clear up one important thing. A lot of pictures and specifications circulating online for the 2026-27 CD70 are unofficial or AI-generated concepts. So, until Atlas Honda officially announces a new model, we should treat major redesign claims as expectations rather than confirmed specifications. Starting with the design, the CD70 is expected to keep the simple and practical look that has made it so popular. Rather than turning it into a completely different motorcycle, Honda is likely to focus on small styling improvements. We could see updated graphics, fresh color options, revised detailing around the fuel tank, and small changes to make the bike look more modern while keeping that familiar CD70 identity. And honestly, that makes sense. The biggest strength of the CD70 has always been its simplicity. You don't buy this bike because you want an aggressive sports bike appearance. You buy it because you want something lightweight, easy to ride, economical, and relatively simple to maintain. So if Honda gives the 2026-27 model a fresher appearance without changing the basic character of the motorcycle, many riders will probably appreciate that. From the front, we can expect the familiar compact headlight setup, simple handlebars, a practical front mudguard, and the lightweight commuter bike stance. From the side, the classic fuel tank, long seat spoke wheels, and simple exhaust design continue to give the CD70 its recognizable appearance. And if Honda introduces new graphics for the 2026-27 model, that could be one of the easiest ways to visually distinguish it from older versions. Moving toward the engine, this is where we need to be realistic. There are plenty of online discussions about completely new engines, hybrid technology, and even electric-assisted versions of popular motorcycles. But there is currently no reason to assume that the regular CD70 is suddenly going to receive a hybrid engine. The CD70's traditional small four-stroke petrol engine is one of the main reasons the bike has remained popular. It's designed for simple everyday transportation rather than high performance. So for the 2026-27 model, the more realistic expectation is an evolution of the existing setup rather than a completely new hybrid powertrain. And that's actually important because fuel economy is one of the biggest reasons people choose this motorcycle. For students, workers, delivery riders, and families looking for affordable transportation,